Hey guys, so tonight we are going to make a mocktail drink.
So we're going to be making these, and you, the audience, you're gonna try it. See if you like it, so that you don't have to go forever.
Yeah.
Should we start?
Yes.
Oh,
So
yeah, we're making two.
real sweet.
Not sweet, sugar sweet.
Oh, okay.
It's probably gonna end up like a smoothie.
It's so good. We're trying. I'm scared too. We're gonna do this. We got this. We gotta do this. Go cheer. Clink.
It's actually way better than
It's not bad. It's very good. I'm not lying, okay, guys? So you think I'm lying? I'm not lying.
What do you think? I mean, you're trying it right now.
Okay, now I can taste a little bit of honey. I hate honey. Okay,
That's actually pretty good.
but it's still good. It's wells out. I don't know what I just said.
We're gonna make another batch, but before we get to that, we're gonna do another one.
Yeah, dude.
I gotta wash this.
Okay. Oh,
I gotta-
brother. Oh, brother.
Paper towels. Being mixed with so much weird now.
Ah!
Yay! Okay.
Oh, that's
now
so hard.
time.
Hallelujah.
So now we're gonna leave smoothie making 4. So that's almost everyone can try one.